Hello, welcome to another hiking video. I'm Steve. We are at Wiese Family Park as seen on the sign. This is a suburb of Green Bay. I think it's a Schwabenen, but there are boundary lines here. One of the trails actually leads to De Pere, and I think the other is the Schwabenen, and this is part of the East River Trail. I'm going to do a short video today. Hiking, we're doing them in the middle of a snowstorm, and I will be doing a ministry video. This is not a ministry video, this is just a hiking video. But when I get to the location I want to record my ministry video, I will turn this off and start that one, and then I will continue, more than likely, like I usually do, I will continue with a hiking video. So yeah, we are in a pretty big storm. I think we're supposed to get like 5 inches today, something like that. We're right in the smack in the middle of it, and if the camera gets wet, I apologize, but we are in a storm. Gonna turn the camera down so the lens is less likely. Well, you could believe of that, because it's gonna snow no matter what. But I'm trying to get the snow away from the lens as much as possible. I looked up the weather. I think it's different. I usually check like 4 or 5 different websites for weather. It's anywhere between 21 to 25 degrees, so somewhere in there. I dressed a little warm. I don't want to be cold for this. And I'm sure it's going to be a lovely video hiking in a snowstorm. It's a Saturday like I usually do. I think it's about 12:30, something like that. Of course, I'll have the date on the title of the screen. I used to try to guess the date, but I always forget, and I just realized, I don't need to give that date because it'll be on the screen. Face is a little cold. Should have grabbed my scarf. But as you see, I am wearing a hat. I usually don't. I do have my earmuffs underneath my hat, so I'm wearing them. Not too terribly windy. I think it's only about 8-mile-an-hour wind, but it's cold nonetheless. I don't want to travel far for my videos today, so this is a place that's relatively close. I like recording in a snowstorm. Just got to be wise about not travel all over the countryside. I want to record at Baird Creek, one of my favorite places to go in the snow. But again, I don't want to travel all the way across Green Bay in a snowstorm, so I'll have to go there maybe next weekend. We'll see. I want to try to catch that place before the snow melts. They must have recently plowed this trail. Actually, we're doing the parking lot as I pulled in. I'm regretting not bringing my scarf. Well, here we're gonna hike into the deeper snow. That's okay, I got my hiking boots on and they're waterproof. And it's snowing pretty heavily. There's the East River. So it's frozen enough that people are driving. Those are snowmobile tracks. I'd say we probably already got 4 inches. Yesterday they were saying we can get anywhere between like 1 to 7 inches, and right now, again, I'm guessing we have 3.5, 4 inches. So we could get a few more inches. If you enjoy this hike in the snow, please hit the like, folks. There's no one else here except the snowplow, but I think they left before I started. My nephew Joe was going to be with us today, but he had to celebrate an anniversary with his wife, which is absolutely more important. I hope he is well. Definitely pulled out my better camera today. I want to capture this lovely scene as much as possible. I'm running late on my other hiking video. I haven't even posted on YouTube yet. I'll probably delay that to get this up sooner. Busy week. Yeah, almost a whiteout. It's quite white. I've seen some pretty bad whiteouts I lived in North Dakota. I was in the Air Force. We've had a few in Wisconsin, but those ones in North Dakota were crazy. I used to tease my family, say it was so thick with snow I could climb the snow into the sky as it was falling down. It was so thick, some of those storms. Wow, they really thin the trees here. A lot. Wonder if I just missed my trail. I think I was supposed to turn in there. It's okay, I'll turn this way. With all the snow and trimming, I almost half don't recognize this place. Oh, that's a big tree they cut down there. Look at the size of that log. Wow. Well, if this is where I think it is, this is where I'm going to start recording my ministry video. So I'm going to pause this here. Once I confirm this is where I want to be. Again, they've cleared so much of the brush and trees. It just looks so different, especially in the snow. Wow, just so much thinner. This is probably where I want to be, but it's so strange and clear. Now there used to be a birdhouse over here, but that's probably been removed because of all the trees being removed. All right, folks, I'm going to pause this. Again, I'm like 90% certain this is where I want to be. So we'll just pause this for now. And we'll continue on in about 20-30 minutes for me, but it'll be nothing for you. See you in a bit. Bye-bye. All right, folks, we're back to our hiking video. We're at 63% battery. I'm doing pretty good. We're just continue hiking down this way, and then we'll go back. So probably another 20-30 minutes or so. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful hike. It's so lovely. As I was turning off the camera when I ended the beginning of this, there was a biker with his dog. So not alone out here. Quite heavy, but I'm doing good. Hiking warms you up. My face isn't actually cold anymore. Nice warm gloves this time. Just lovely. If you haven't hit like, please do. Just absolutely lovely. Hiking in a snowstorm. I think when I walk back, I'm going to walk through that, what I used to call the Greenway. Just a mowed, grassy area. There are a few pine trees down there. I think it'll be lovely to walk down there. I see some pine trees there. We're going to walk there, more than likely on our way back. Trying to decide if I want to keep going down or just turn back right away up here, 40 yards or so. So this is where I would turn. I think I'm just gonna look around the corner over here before I go back. We're gonna walk back behind these houses. It's okay, this is still part of the park area. I'm sure the line is somewhere there, but we're gonna stick over here. Yeah, it's definitely deeper here. Walking into the wind now. Let me turn this down a little bit more. I've seen the pine trees with snow on it. Beautiful. Yep, just love hiking in the snow. As long as I'm warm enough, and I am. Just loving those trees with the snow on it. See, quite a bit of snow is falling on those trees. Quite a storm. Make sure we're still recording. Yep. Yeah, walking into the wind, into the snow. Huh. No more footprints here. Maybe some there. People must have turned back or took a side trail. Oh, I can turn here. I'll get to the trail. So I'm guessing by the time we're done, we'll probably have a 45-minute video. Airplane. It's crazy they're leaving that bulldozer all there all winter. Oh, it looks like more like a tractor. And took down these big trees. Or maybe the wind took them down, they're just clearing it out. Oh, here comes another biker. Oh, pulling someone with their kid on the sled. Enjoying the snow. A little slippery there. Was debating about putting my grips on my boots today. Haven't used them this winter. Couple slippery spots, nothing bad. Do I need them? Nah. Would have been helpful if I had? Sure. Jogger. over there in the road. I think they waved at me. Not sure though. Again, I don't have too far to drive, so I'm not concerned about that. Just be careful. More joggers. I definitely want to try hitting the snowshoe trails over at Barkhausen this winter. It got really warm a couple weeks ago, so I was about to go there. I was like, well, this warm weather, I don't think that'd be good. And so it's cold again, so I'll try to get over there in the next couple weeks. I really like that trail. Maybe I'll go there next week. We'll see. I do want to hit Baird Creek too before the snow melts. Can't see it because I'm wearing a hat. I got a really good haircut yesterday. Just getting long again. Someone just left the parking lot. Is on their way out. I only see my car here. So I got about 2 or 3 minutes here, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and do my end of video spiel. If you like this video, please hit like, and you're welcome to subscribe. But please be aware, while I do have over 200 hiking videos, it's not the primary purpose of this channel. I do ministry videos. So if you want to be here just for hiking, that's okay. But maybe you don't want to subscribe because you don't want to dig to the channel to find them. I have good news for you. I've made playlists of all my hiking videos. After the outro, there'll be music, and at the end of the outro, you will see a box in the corners of the screen. And I want you to click on one of those boxes, open up that page, bookmark that page. The box in this corner will be my hiking in Northeast Wisconsin playlist. That's where I put all my hiking videos. No ministry videos, it's only hiking videos there. On this corner, I will do my best of hiking videos. So if you want to narrow it down to the best videos, check out that one. You can bookmark both of them, or choose one, your choice, and that is another option. Now in the bottom corner of the screen, I will do my playlist of all my tripod videos where I hook up my camera in a beautiful setting. It could be a winter setting, it could be a waterfall setting, various beautiful settings. I record for backdrop videos for my videos at home. When I do like a blue screen, when I do ministry videos, I use it for that. But I want to give those videos to the public just to use to enjoy the beauty of nature. And I'll have a playlist in one of the bottom corners. In the other bottom corner, I will have my subscribe button. You can check that out if you want to subscribe as well. But if you don't want to, because you don't want to dig to find my hiking videos, I understand. So that's another option for you folks. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. I liked the video. Well, I haven't seen it, but it's been a beautiful hike in the snowstorm. I love snow, and I think these videos usually turn out very well, and hopefully this one did. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully see you out on the trail someday. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Bye-bye.